This is CUBOT Tab 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you need to launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera, just like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green Install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the app as well as set it up. So in here you want to tap on this blue Continue button, then choose whether some of the options the browser has to offer will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip this step. So I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip Set in Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is the page that allows you to personalize, or should I say customize, the accesses and permissions that you are going to grant to the Opera. I'll just allow everything that it needs. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.